Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with first solution. First subtraction, 5 minus 5 equals 0. Divide 5 times 3. Now division, 0 divide 5 equals 0. Finally, multiplication, 0 times 3 equals 0. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are done from left to right. Repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, left to right. Okay, now let's solve the equation according to the rule. Subtraction, division, multiplication. First, division and multiplication. Left to right, first division. 5 divide 5 equals 1 times 3. Now, subtraction and multiplication. First multiplication. 1 times 3 equals 3. Finally, subtraction. 5 minus 3 equals 2. The correct answer will be 2. Great job. Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.